You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, chrome mirror caps, floor mats, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, trailer brake controller, heated outside mirrors, tinted glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.